All right, so let's imagine that your issue is that you have nausea, you have stomach discomfort occasionally, indigestion, heartburn. You're just not feeling comfortable. Maybe you want to help with daily help with your gallbladder, or you're trying to address an H. pylori issue that's not severe, so you do not have gastritis issues, but you're worried about H. pylori issues. Upper GI relief is the answer. Hi, my name is Phil. I'm with Silver Fern Brand. So to make this simple, because I don't have to make this video very complex, this is the product I use if I'm like getting nauseous on a plane. It's a product if I've eaten too much and I'm feeling a little bit of indigestion coming up or discomfort. I take this. If my kids or any of us are having flu-like issues, we'll take a bunch of them, like 2 to 4 at that moment, and it works fast. So it's not something I take a ton of anymore because my health is really good. But a lot of people, like for example, they don't have a gallbladder or they're worried about their gallbladder, they would take this regularly. They take 2 capsules a day and it works fabulous. It's increasing bile flow. It's just a really good product for stomach issues and it's affordable. It's not really expensive like motility. That being said, you're not making major adjustments in the digestive system with this that are like for big problems. It is like, this is what I would say is for mild occasional issues. You want to address some discomfort, some nausea type stuff, and you don't want to pop acid blockers and crap like that, right? And you want something that works. So upper GI relief, which it does work. It's actually a product we use all the time in my family. We just don't use it daily, just being honest. So it has 3 ingredients in it. It has gut guard licorice flavonoids. This is not standard DGL. It has the ultra low glycyrrhizin in it. It's not increasing blood pressure. It's not affecting potassium issues. It's really rich in licorice flavonoids, so really high in licorice flavonoids, which has a lot of healthy inflammatory benefits of the stomach lining. Very helpful for stomach-related issues that may flare up, let's just say that. Artichoke leaf extract is increasing bile flow. That's one of the reasons this is a really good product for the gallbladder. Whether you had your gallbladder removed or you have a weak or just a screwed up gallbladder, it's a great product if you're trying to help prevent gallstones. It's a great ingredient for the liver, actually, cholesterol type issues. The ginger is what we're using. It has a high amount of gingerols in it. That's the ingredient in the product that's helping with nausea. Super effective for nausea. So really good day-to-day occasional use product. We've been using it for years. We used to stack people on this at really high doses to help with constipation. So it is something that can be used to help with motility type issues. You just have to use higher doses if you have bad issues. Once again, this is for mild type issues. This is what we use, by the way, if we're trying to help little kids with constipation issues. The artichoke leaf extract in the picronil artichoke leaf extract in motility, it's so effective. It's probably 4 to 8 times more effective than this artichoke leaf extract, but the taste is just unmanageable. So you can't take it out of the capsules. What we've been doing for years for children is we'll take this, we'll break the capsules apart, we'll put it in there, like I put it in like yogurt, pudding, applesauce, stuff like that, sweeten it up a little bit so the kids can't take it, put it in a smoothie, whatever. And then we would have kids take it to help them turn their system on to help with constipation issues. Works extremely well. The gut guard licorice flavonoids helps with motility. The artichoke leaf extract is going to help with motility. So that's what we've been using to help children with motility issues, is this product. So that's what this is for. So once again, if my family's traveling, we take this a ton just in case somebody gets nauseous or is just not feeling good. Really good for nausea type stuff. Really good product for just like sudden indigestion type stuff. It is not motility. It's not reflux. It's not Reflux Pro. It's not that, but it is extremely effective for mild type issues, and it's really affordable. So we keep this around my house. We always keep it around my house, actually. So great product. I hope that helps. If you have any questions, as always, message us. And then last, if you're going to use it on a regular basis, subscribe and save. If you are not, don't subscribe and save. But if you want to buy and save, do it on the subscription, and you can always go into your account, turn it off, okay? But this is something my family, we keep it on hand. I'm not buying it all the time just because I don't need it all the time. Does that make sense? I hope that helps. Okay, thanks, bye.